So I want to speak first about how we collect our data. What we do is we build our file uniquely from a real property backbone database. And then we fill out additional fields of information on Jane Doe, John Smith across the United States based on where they buy products online, where they subscribe to services. So we license 4,000 different websites, and those websites are all over the place. It could be E-Trade, Scottrade, Wall Street Journal, Travelocity. It could be Netflix, and it could be very niche industry sites like an RV enthusiast website for outdoorsmen. We take in 20 to 30 million opt-in records on a monthly basis to build out 430 fields of information on any given consumer. So overall, throughout the United States, we have about 80% of the US population with contact information that's market ready for all third-party marketing offers. How does that work? Whenever you're online, whenever you're subscribing to services, whether it be Netflix or buying a product, whether it be women's clothing, you're opting in by disclaimer for all third-party marketing offers when you click that terms and conditions checkbox. That's how I'm legally allowed to share that opt-in contact information with my clients that would be considered the marketers or the advertisers. So when that data comes in, I'm now tying it to cutting edge tactics. So I can now, through proprietary and patented solutions, identify who's on your website. So let's say you have a company that is an auto dealership and you want to know who's looking at a sales page. Maybe they're in market for a used vehicle. Maybe they're in market for a new vehicle. Maybe they're just on the service side of the website. I can identify every single page they clicked on while they were on the website, and I can attach 303 fields of information. So I want to walk you guys through this dashboard and show you the information that I gather when somebody's on your website. This product is called SiteSeat. The URL is bigdatashow.io, which shows you who's currently on your site, and I can actually drill down. So what you're seeing here on this screen is where the website visitors that I can tie contact and demographic and purchasing behavioral information to are populating as they visit your site. So I can drill down, and I apologize if there's a bit of a delay. So I'll click around slowly, but I can drag around on the map, drill down as tight as a neighborhood, and I can even get a street view of where that web visitor visited from. So I'm going to give that a second to load so it's visual on your side. And this is just a Google Map plugin that my programmers added to who's currently on your website. So you can see this is the neighborhood, which is very big brother. This is the neighborhood, the house that the person accessed your site from. I can also look down, and this is where it gets extremely powerful and very valuable to your clients. All they have to do is embed a single short line of code on the homepage of their website. And that single line of code tracks every single page they clicked on while they were on your website. So if I go down here, let's say I click on Terrence David. I'm going to give that a second to load. So now I can see Terrence David lives at 3719 Artesia Boulevard. I can see he's in Los Angeles. I get his full postal address. I can see his credit range, which is very valuable depending on the products or services you're selling. His income isn't populated. A lot of this information is going to be populated where available. Some profiles are more robust than others. I have to be able to prove and verify that person's income as opposed to not. We also have a very accurate database of who's currently driving what type of vehicle. So whereas this product was created for anybody that has a business to consumer website,